Hi guys, and welcome to Gigi's World. I'm Gigi, and today is 5-ingredient Monday, which means I will be making a simple, inexpensive, and healthy meal that only includes 5 ingredients. So today I chose to make one of my favorite foods, which is lettuce tacos. Basically, it's a healthier version of tacos, and you can really just enjoy it guilt-free. I love it because it's so easy to make and simple. So the 5 ingredients I chose are romaine lettuce, onion, lemon, cilantro, and ground beef. Today, I will also be making myself a margarita, which is already made. I am just going to put salt around the rim of my glass, and I'm going to pour it and see what it tastes like. That was $14.99, but all of these 5 ingredients were under $20. So the first step is to go ahead and grab my ground beef and start cooking it. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Okay, so I've gone ahead and preheated my pan on medium heat. I'm going to put in the ground beef, and then I'll let it cook for, I'd say, 5 minutes while I make the margarita, and then I'll go ahead and check on it. So there it is. I've already pre-measured the salt, and it was a teaspoon. So there we go. Now I'm just going to mix it up a little bit and then go make that margarita. Okay, so I've spread it out a little bit, and now I am just going to set a timer for 5 minutes, and then I'll check on it again. And it's on medium heat. Okay, so I'm having my meat cook, and while I do that, I'm going to make this margarita. So like I was telling you guys, I bought the pre-made mix. So I'm just gonna put salt around the rim of this cup. And what I want to do is go ahead and rub some lemon around the rim. That way the salt will stick to it, like so. Okay, I put some salt on this plate. I'm just going to go ahead and put the rim around the salt. Now I have salt on my rim. The next step is to put some ice in my cup. Then I'm going to give this margarita mix a little shake and pour it in. Okay, here we go. It smells really good. Okay, now I'll give it a try. That's good. First time buying it, and I like it. Now, I think my alarm is about to go off for my meat, so I'm just going to go ahead and check on it. Okay, so it's only been about 5 minutes, and it looks like the meat is really close to being done. So I'm going to give it a little mix, and I'll set it for another 5 minutes while I chop up the cilantro and the onion. Okay, so while the meat cooks for another 5 minutes, I'm just going to chop my onion. What I want to do is cut off the end, then I want to go down with my knife, and then go on this side and make it into little squares. That way it'll just be easy to chop up. Now I'm just gonna slice it through, and it should come out as little squares. Perfect, go right on top of the tacos. Okay, so I think that should be enough. Now I want to go ahead and chop up my cilantro. So basically, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it really thin so that it's perfect to just go right on top of the tacos. Okay, so there we go. Cilantro and onion. Now let me go ahead and grab my lemon and cut it into small slices so I can go ahead and pour the juice right on top of my lettuce tacos. Okay, here we go, lemon. Okay, so my alarm just went off, so now I'm checking on the meat, and it's been another 5 minutes, so a total of 10 minutes, and it seems like it's basically ready. I purchased the organic grill already washed and pre-cut romaine lettuce so that basically I just take it out of the package and put it on the plate. Super easy. So let me go ahead and do that. And it's perfect for tacos. So I'll go ahead and put 3 lettuce leaves down. And then I'm going to go ahead, grab the meat, put it on top, and then put onion, cilantro, and lemon on top, which I've already plated and pre-cut. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, so I've added the meat to my tacos, grass-fed ground beef. Now I'm going to put some chopped onion on top, then cilantro, and some lemon. Okay, so I'm ready to go ahead and give them a try. This was really good, and it's one of my favorite meals to cook because it's so simple, inexpensive, and healthy. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. And if you like this video, please go down below, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so that next time I upload a video, you guys will be notified. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye-bye.